Let's connect Midjourney bot to your Discord server and start creating AI images right away. First, head over to Discord. Before you add the bot, you need to have an existing server. Now, click on the plus icon to add a server. Click on Join a Server. Here, in the Invite link button, write Midjourney without any space, then press on Join Server. Once you get into the server, click on the member list. Here, tap on the Midjourney bot, then select Add App option. Choose Add to Server. Scroll down and select your server, then click on Continue. If you don't want to do this process, you can try the next method. Go to the server where you want to add the Midjourney bot. Click on the server name. Choose Server Settings. Now, scroll down until you find App Directory. Select it. Once there, search for Midjourney. You'll find the bot here. Click on Add App. Choose Add to Server like before. Scroll down and press Continue. Again, scroll down, click on Authorize, and fill out the CAPTCHA. Go to your server, you will find the Midjourney bot here. If you want to use a prompt, you can write /imagine and then write whatever you want. Just like that, Midjourney bot is added to your server. Thanks for watching till the end.